In this video, review ng laro ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Saudi Arabia sa qualification to the quarter-final round ng torneo. Ako po si Ruben Terrado, sports writer po ng Spin.ph, and thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. And ayun, suriin natin yung naging kampanya so far ng Saudi Arabia sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. At sila nga ay nagtapos na number 2 sa Group C, no? 2-1 record ang naitala ng Saudi Arabia sa group stage. And as you can see, yung sa right side of your screen, yung resulta ng kanilang mga laro. Natalo sila against China 93-88, dikit yung laro. Considering na isa sa mga powerhouse teams in China, nanalo lang ang China by 5, no? And then, nakuha ng Saudi Arabia kanilang unang panalo after, pwede natin consider na upset, no? Over Jordan 77-73, na alam natin yung Jordan once played in the World Cup with Rondae Hollis Jefferson, but this time wala si RHJ for Jordan. Ang kanilang naturalized player ay si Dar Tucker. And despite that, nakakuhang manalo ng Saudi Arabia kontra sa Jordan, no? And then in their final game of the group phase, tinambakan ng Saudi Arabia ang India sa score na 84-59. So that arranged a qualification to quarterfinals game against Gilas Pilipinas na nagtapos ng number 3 sa Group D with a 1-2 win-loss record, no? So suriin natin yung mga past games ng Gilas laban sa Saudi Arabia. And siguro on the positive side ay lamang yung Gilas, no, based on the previous games, no. So kung titingnan nito, in a way pwedeng sabihin na heavy favorite ang Gilas Pilipinas na laban sa Saudi Arabia in their August 29, 2022 na laro sa Mall of Asia Arena ito, no. Tinambakan ng Gilas ang Saudi Arabia 84-46. This was the World Cup qualifier, no, World Cup Asian qualifiers nung nagarap sila, no. And this was held at the Mall of Asia Arena. Jordan Clarkson nga naglaro pa in this game, 23 points, 5 rebounds, and 6 assists. And then Kai Soto was also there, 16 points, 13 rebounds in their 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifier match, no. Home court ang Gilas dyan. They played at the Mall of Asia Arena. And then, during their November 13, 2022 game, ginanap naman ito sa Jeddah, no, in the same venue kung saan naglalaro ang FIBA Asia Cup 2025 this year. Nung 3 years ago, nagwagi din yung Gilas over Saudi Arabia, no, dun din sa King Abdullah Sports City with a score of 76-63. So si Dwight Ramos ang nanguna, as well as RR Pugoy in scoring with 13 points, with RR Pugoy shooting 3 of 7 from 3-point range. And then si Kai Soto naglaro din sa game na ito, 11 points, 9 rebounds, and 5 blocks for Gilas. So we can say na familiar foe na rin ng Gilas Pilipinas itong Saudi Arabia, especially during the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian Qualifiers, na kung saan na-sweep ng Gilas ang Saudi Arabia dun sa kanilang mga laro, no, during that qualifying tournament, no. And then players to watch, no, for Saudi Arabia. And titingnan natin, no, si Muhammad Ali Abdul Rahman, no, jersey number 5. Tingnan natin yung profile niya, no. He is an American Saudi Arabian born in Pennsylvania. 30 years old, 6'4", shooting guard. Then he plays for Treviso Basket in Italy. Last season naglaro siya sa Spain, no. And then he played college with Michigan. At may G League credentials din itong si Muhammad Ali Abdul Rahman. Played for the Canton Charge from 2018 to 2020. And kung titingnan natin yung kanyang stats for the FIBA Asia Cup 2025, 23 points per game, 5.6 rebounds, and 9 of 30 from 3-point range. So Siya ang top scorer ng Saudi Arabia, so expect na yung Gilas defense will clamp down on him dito kay Muhammad Ali Abdul Rahman, and he can shoot the threes, no, with his 90 of 30 shooting from the outside. Hindi magandang percentage, but based on his number of attempts ay may lisensya itong si Muhammad Ali Abdul Rahman na tumira sa labas. So watch out for his outside shooting sa game ng Saudi Arabia kontra Gilas Pilipinas. And then the big man of Saudi Arabia, si Mohamed Al Suwailem, jersey number 12, 27 years old, 6'10", center, and plays for Alula in their local league, no, sa Saudi Arabia. And siya yung talagang threat at the post, and you can see in his numbers during the group stage of this year's FIBA Asia Cup 2025, double-double, no, 14.7 points, 12 rebounds, and 3 blocks. So babantayan din natin yan, no, yung si Muhammad Al Suwailem, as he looks to try to dominate yung mga bigs ng Gilas led by Junmar Fajardo and AJ Edu. So ito definitely yung babantayan ng Gilas, no, down low, no, si Muhammad Al Suwailem, jersey number 12 for Saudi Arabia. And then ito naman si Khalid Abdel Gabar, jersey number 10, one of the veterans sa Kupunan, 34 years old, guard, 6-footer from Al Hilal, no? In their local league sa Saudi Arabia. And one of the veterans nga, as we look at his numbers during this FIBA Asia Cup 2025, 8.3 points, 6 rebounds, and then he can do it all, no? He has 7.7 assists in the group stage of the FIBA Asia Cup 2025, at marami na ring experience ito pagdating sa international play, and he previously faced the Philippines before, no? Actually, in those games na pinakita natin kanina, naglaro siya in those games, no? In the November 13, 2022 game in their home court, he had 16 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals, no, laban sa Gilas Pilipinas. And then during the August 29, 2022 game, 9.6 rebounds, 9 assists, and 1 steal. So based on his numbers, no, you know that he can produce in most departments, no, especially yung assist. So yan din ang titignan ng Gilas to contain, no. Yun din ang kanilang definitely gagawin, no, to contain Abdel Gabar, yun nga dun sa pagbibigay ng mga assist, no, sa kanyang mga kampe. So yun, si Khalid Abdel Gabar, jersey number 10, again one of the players to watch for Saudi Arabia. And then ito yung full roster ng Saudi Arabia, no. Screenshot courtesy of the FIBA website. Another player to watch, no, itong si Muhammad Al Marwani na naglaro rin for Saudi Arabia during the qualification round of the FIBA Basketball World Cup Asian qualifiers. So isa rin yan sa mga veterano, pati itong si Matna Al Marwani, no, at if I'm not mistaken, nag-top score pa siya dun sa isa sa mga games ng Saudi Arabia against Gilas Pilipinas. So yan po yung full roster. And again, we mentioned jersey number 12, Muhammad Al Suwailem, and then yung si Muhammad Ali Abdul Rahman. And then ayan, the rest of the roster that also includes Khalid Abdel Gabar. So yan po yung babantayan nating mga manonood, no, yung kung maganda yung lalaruin ng isa sa mga players na ating nabanggit, and even yung iba dito, kung magandang lalaruin nila against Gilas Pilipinas, and definitely it's going to be trouble for Gilas Pilipinas. So yan yung ilan sa mga players na susubukang i-contain ng Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang qualification to quarterfinals game against Saudi Arabia, no, the host country. So yan ang ating aabangan. And kung nagtatanong kayo kung anong oras ba yung laro ng Gilas against Saudi Arabia, dun sa ating mga viewers sa Jeddah, it's It's going to be at 7 p.m. on Monday, August 11. No? Again, it's going to be held at the King Abdullah Sports City, 7 p.m. Jeddah time. And para naman dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga viewers dito sa Pilipinas, puyatan na naman, no? Walang tulugan. 12 midnight, Tuesday, August 12, Philippine time. So yan yung schedule ng laro ng Gilas against Saudi Arabia. Prime time sa Jeddah, and then dito naman sa Pilipinas, puyatan. So yan nga, the winner of this match, no, will be facing Australia sa quarter finals. So yan po yung what is at stake sa larong ito between Gilas Pilipinas and Saudi Arabia. So yun ang ating preview, no, mixing preview of the team from Saudi Arabia. After finishing second in Group C, they will now be facing Gilas Pilipinas, and they are definitely hoping to go far in this tournament, especially sila yung host country dito sa FIBA Asia Cup 2025. And for Gilas, they would be looking for their second straight win after losing their first 2 games, and they will also try to move on to the quarterfinals, something na hindi nila nagawa during the 2022 FIBA Asia Cup na ginanap sa Jakarta. So, that ends our video, no, for today. And again, yan ang schedule ng laro, no. Tuesday dito sa Manila at 12 midnight. So again, I'm Ruben Terrado. I write sports for spin.ph. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and read our stories sa spin.ph, and hopefully makatulong itong video na ito sa inyong panonood for Tuesday's game between Gilas Pilipinas and Saudi Arabia. Again, thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.